Gotta have a fan in Thailand. Clutch. Yeah, so done with Koh Tao. I was here 4 years ago to the day. Guess I'll come back in another 4 years. So see you in 2027, I reckon. Waiting on the boat to fill off so we can fill in. So yeah, just chilling. That's it, nothing else. Off to Koh Phangan and full moon party and all that. So my liver's gonna hate me for the next 5-6 days. Fair to say. Well, all right, so I had breakfast this morning, rented a bike from the hostel, 250 baht. I think that's like a little over $6, which is better than what we paid in Mexico, so way cheaper. So I decided to come to the beach, and I am not disappointed with this beach. I think I've passed 4 people and 1 dog, and then there is a little sandbar with a family and a bunch of other people, so I'm gonna steer clear of that. I'm gonna go find me a shady spot because it's hot as fuck today. Oh, by the way, the name of the beach is called Mae Haad, I don't know, something like that. I'll put it on screen. So, but yeah, I am not disappointed. I'm not even one little bit mad about my situation right now. I may be sweaty and hot, as you can see, but could be worse places to be sweaty and hot, so I'll take it. Anyways, so just got my food. I'll show that. Yeah, so I'm at a beach bar next to a little sandbar, I guess you would call it. So yeah, it's been cloudy. It rained for like a split second, but I can't complain. It's beautiful. I don't even know if I want to go see another beach today. I might just chill here all day. So yeah, so I'm gonna eat lunch and then I don't know, figure out a game plan. I don't know. I'm not in no rush to leave to go do something else. So I might just chill at the beach. Yeah, I don't know.